How do I throw it behind me?
I keep point something backwards.
So this is our camping site. This is where the food will be. Here is going to be where everyone will sit by the fire. We have some chairs there already. Over here is where everyone will be sleeping. So we put a tent just in case it rains to protect everyone from the rain. Let me show you a little bit of what it looks like. We used this a couple times, but I think it's a little bit too big personally. I think there's going to be 4 people staying in this, so they will be a little bit cold. And then also, we are near, I don't know if I can show it, we are near the water. Here is the lake. Down this road, at the very end of it, is the playground. Let's see if I can zoom in.
Okay.
Look at these two playing the Switch. What place are you?
4th, 3rd,
3rd place.
5th. It's 2 cameras. So it's this, and then it has a underneath camera, but it's kind of blocked right now.
Okay,
Okay.
ready?
I'm nervous.
Just don't crash. Wow. Whoa. Rena's teaching Mary how to drive the drone.
It's flipped.
And then we're going to try to get her to take the drone from there to over there and see if she can park it on the table.
This is the rotation.
We shall see. Okay.
I put it at 30%.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Okay. You missed the table.
Am I landing on the table?
Yeah.
I don't know how you go down on
Oh, okay. Okay.
Wait, I'll do it.
Okay. Nice job. Good job.
Oh my gosh, that was hard.
This button will make it do a 360 in the air. Okay, let's see it.
Hopefully.
I will back up.
How high do you think I should be for this?
Maybe like that height is good. I'm scared. It's going to...
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Whoa! Do it again.
One more for the...
One more for the culture. Nice.
Oh my gosh. Come back.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
I'm nervous.
Just don't crash. What?
I keep forgetting you can't look at this. You have
It's
to look
okay.
at the camera because if
It's
you look
not broken.
at like it'll change the direction.
It is okay.
And because it kept
And we are bored now. We are done
I'll take it.
flying the drone. So we are going to find my parents. They're currently fishing.
Throw it in the
So
other zip
we're going to take you along with us. So these are the stairs leading up to the fishing area. It's so beautiful.
Water's so nice.
Hello.
Oh, baka balik na po silang camera. Hindi rin catch anything yet.
It's very nice. I want to swim. This is our campsite. Here we have our tent. It is very big. It's for 8 people. We set it up inside already. I don't know if you can see. Very nice, very nice. Now we're gonna head back to the other campsite.
DJ, I got plastic bags on my phone. I have space. Do you want this?
are at Carson Pegasus Provincial Park Campground. Here is our neighbor with some fairy lights, which is very cute. So right now we are headed to the other side. That's where the cousins are. If you haven't been here, they have a really nice lake where a lot of people fish. And they have really nice walking trails like the one we are walking on. So 1:45. Let's see how long it takes us to get to the other side. Okay, so I'm taking a quick detour. This is the boat launch area, and once I go down here, I will pan to the left, and then you'll see where everyone fishes. And there's some pretty good, a pretty good amount of fish, so you're bound to catch at least one. Okay, so here's the dock. People go kayaking, boating, and fishing. And there's another way to get down here. There's a pair of stairs by there, so if I zoom in real quick, you'll see all the people fishing. And I don't know if you can see it, but the watermelon colored umbrella, that's where my parents are. All right, back to the main trail. Even with the detour, not bad time. It is, what is it? Does it show? 1:51. There we are. We have two sites right here. I think they are. So everyone's still fishing. They were there since 8 a.m. and it's already past lunchtime. EJ, what do you have? You're just collecting?
Yeah, I'm just preparing for later.
Awesome. Because we have marshmallows still to roast. So I'm excited. So we just went on a walk, and 30 minutes after, the people who went fishing are back. There you go. How many fish did you catch, Uncle William?
At least 4.
4? How many fish did you catch, Dad?
1, 2.
2. And you, Mom?
2.
That's good. Joven, did you end up catching? No.
Yeah, lots.
Lots.
Right? Lots
Yeah,
of weed.
you got lots.
Now we are going to taste Marie's pistachio ice cream. That's the, do you call chef if you make ice cream? There you go, there you go.
Somebody open this?
I've tasted it before. 10 out of 10 recommend. That's what it looks like.
It's a little
liquidy. It's more like gelato though.
because it hasn't been in a freezer.
Only a cooler.
But it's really good, guys.
More pork.
I got my cup of the pistachio ice cream. It's really good. It's the same ice cream as the one I tasted in Disney Springs in Florida.
I need 2.
Mm-hmm. Really good. So EJ, how was collecting rocks?
It's fun.
Yeah, so apparently we need the rocks to help with the cooking prep work needed for the hamburgers for tonight's dinner, which we still have time for, so they're just collecting some rocks and things. Here's an update. So it's supper time, and my dad is cooking.
I'll put it away.
Wait, my binilos is coming. Hamburger is coming soon. Not yet.
I changed into something warmer because it is almost 6 o'clock and the food is finally done. I think the hamburgers are still being cooked, but we have pho. There's the noodle, and then there's the soup, the broth.
Okay.
Are the hamburgers ready?
Huh?
Are the hamburgers ready?
Almost.
Almost. All right, I'm gonna grab some soup. Everybody has their food, except Jesse's waiting for the hamburger. Bon appetit. I went for another round because it's so good. They actually had the vegetables and extra things that you put on your pho. So we have a make your own popcorn set. We don't know where it came from. You guys bought the seeds, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now there's some oil in there. And they're gonna try and cook it by the fire.
So when it's done, you just lift up.
We have a fire going, and we need the pot to be hot enough so the popcorn can pop.
Is it supposed to be open a little bit or no? We did this last.
No,
Hope it works. Reveal. Did it work? Yes, it did. There's some popcorn. Now we just need more popcorn. So how does it taste like, Mary?
I didn't taste it yet, but it smells like movie theater popcorn.
Okay. Let us know what you think. Now taste it.
You can be sure I know
It doesn't taste like anything.
Does it taste like anything?
No.
No?
Spicy next. Hey, let me put the truffle in there.
Oh, they're dancing? Let's go. Let's go.
Ilang taon na pare?
28 years, Uncle.
Wow.
bata pa.
Bata pa.